So I'd love for you to take us on a journey, take us back as far back as you want to give us a sense of how you came to be who you are and why you do what you do today.
Yeah, that's a interesting question, and I should say that is a very deep question because it has many layers into it.
Yes.
So, okay, starting from the first thing that you have asked, what is my backstory? Why did I choose to do what I do?
Mm-hmm.
You see, I think it was 7-8 years back, or maybe 10 years back, when my wife was in a dilemma and she wanted to consult an astrologer. I took her to a known friend who recommended us an astrologer. Also, he happened to be his relative or something like that. And that just made us think that, okay, at least we will be in good hands and it is no fake thing or jola chap thing that we are going to notice, at least at that time. But the experience went southways completely.
Okay.
Because he told my wife that you have some, I don't know, Brahma Hatya ka dosh and this and that, whatnot. And my wife got very scared. We went to a second one. She said, and she was in in a very reputed website. She was among the top 10.
Oh, right.
So we said that, okay, maybe that astrologer was not that good. Let's try someone else and who has more, reputation and all.
Yes.
But this, the same thing happened. Not exactly the same, but a similar thing. Now, this astrologer said that because she sensed that my wife is she's vulnerable and she's very concerned about her health, that there shouldn't be anything in my health zone and all that. So she said that, okay, I see that after 5 or 6 years, you may develop some kind of tumor, some kind of cancers and this and that. She scared her and then asked 1.5 lakhs for a Rudraksha and a puja, some homa or something like that. And my wife came and told me, and I was pretty sure that she was just bluffing because she just sensed that she is in a vulnerable position,
Right.
and that is why she is saying something. So I tried another 2-3 people and I found out that nobody is actually concerned about the problems and the feelings of the person who is coming for help. With my experience, I know this. Unless and until कहते हैं ना कि आपके घर में जब तक चोरी नहीं होती आप पुलिस वाले. So there is a pain in your body, there is a pain in your mind, and that is why maybe in your life. And that is why you go to an astrologer.
Right.
And maybe sometimes you go to an astrologer maybe in 5 years or so. Right. So he is not someone you will revisit every 6 months or 8 months, just like a doctor or some other people. So I came to understand that maybe these people are not authentic enough. Plus, maybe these people are, they know that this person is not going to come to me for another 4, 5, 6 years. Or maybe not after this call as well. So I should just squeeze the maximum amount that I can. So I wanted to study myself, that whether this science works or not, first of all. And what is the problem? Like one important element that struck to my mind is when you talk to a doctor and the doctor diagnosis fails, you go to another doctor for a second opinion, sometimes even a third opinion. You never say that medical science is a failure. You will say that the doctor failed. You will say that the doctor wasn't good. Exactly the opposite happens over here in astrology. If you find a bad astrologer, you will say astrology science is bad. You will not say that the astrologer was bad. So this was something I thought, and I took it on myself that, okay, I am an intuitive person. I have been a person who is keenly interested into these subjects. And I know that these subjects are not the problem. The people who are using it or maybe misusing it, if I put it. So that those people and their psyche is the problem. So maybe some things needs to be changed. And that is why I took it upon myself that, okay, I'll study and I'll try to help and I'll try to change this particular scenario that the science is bad, or maybe the people associated with this science are bad, or maybe some people who were just going to make you fool. So that is how my journey started as an astrologist.
Wow.